Hey, it's Mark with FindingHomesToday.com, checking out some waterfront property here in Auburndale. And you can even see the neighbor has done a nice little beachfront over there. And this is Lake Lena. What a cool lake, right in the center of Auburndale. So, spin a little bit here, give you a picture of what the house actually looks like. And we've got a 2-story, dated, older home with jalousie windows. So it's older. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. I'll see you in a half a second here. So as we approach, pretty pink and brown with a lot of jalousie windows. Does have a nice little covered porch or carport. Cool. I like those iron bars. That'll keep you protected. My goodness. And more of a jalousie doors there. Nice big open room. We like that part. And as you can see, it's very open. And if you're very astute, you will notice that these are asbestos tiles. They need to get ripped out. That's a bummer. Ceiling does need some work. Looks like it's buckling a little bit. But again, fixer upper light. I do like how they have the cowboy kitchen. Now, a cowboy kitchen gives you the chance to use those double doors like they do in the old westerns. Yeah, normally they stay open. So anyway, so we got the cowboy kitchen with some views outside. What? No fridge. We do have a stove. No dishwasher, but we do have a stove, so that's kind of cool. Oh, there we go. Here's the fridge. You have to go out in the living kitchen room kind of thing. So we do have a fridge. Again, incredible views. So location is 100%. And we've got a bathroom next to the fridge. Pretty standard stuff. I like the racing stripe yellow and blue. It's a cruise ship shower, very, very small. In other words, you have to get out of the shower to change your mind. So I guess we go to a nice little backyard. Cute. Got your picnic spot for dining outdoors. Not sure what the propane tank is for. This is a storage / bedroom closet. As we move in here, we see the downstairs bedroom. Nice, it's got the closet, has your window, and then it's got some very unique wallpaper. And it was really nice. They did it here on the shelving as well. For reading materials, we've got Auburndale. That's cool. Paddle Wikiva and Take a Hike. So these must be nature folks. A little bit of some possible not rodents, but little bugs that like to eat wood. You may know what they're called. They seem to have joined their time here. But wow, this is definitely unique. This could be your wallpaper if you like. For your computer screen, that is. So hey, good size space, open, ceiling issues, floor issues. And let's wander up the stairs for a quick second. So again, this is one of the fixer-uppers that's on waterfront. Oh goodness, it still has the asbestos tiles up here as well. And here's bathroom for the upstairs. Not bad. It's got the shower and a tub. Kind of the old style cabinetry built in. And we go to bedroom number 2. This one's pretty good size. Ooh, and it looks like there's something hidden back there. Also have the outside view of brick walls with flowers and fruit. And the mystery room that's got a lot of windows with some great views of the lake. It's a small little office room. Not exactly sure what that is. And we got a secret space over the staircase, so it's kind of a Harry Potter upside room. And then if we look at the roof, this is a unique situation. They've got plugs running out the window to some sump pumps. Why do they have sump pumps on the roof? I don't think the lake is going to flood this much. However, you never know. So let's look for bedroom number 3, and my goodness, we have some artwork. And she is definitely staring at us, walking through her house. So we keep wandering and we find some hall closets, always good to have. And then bedroom number 3, and wow, we are talking about a very thin bedroom, maybe 8 foot by 18 feet. Does have a closet, so it's officially a bedroom. And it has some great views of the oak trees nearby. Oh, the things we see when we're looking at fixer-uppers. Nice closet. So all in all, again, it's another new listing here in Auburndale. Listed at a very reasonable $160,000. So the price is going to bring in a lot of folks. Question is, how much work is this one going to take? To get a view like that and great land, just got to do some reconfiguring on the inside. If this is the house for you, give me a call and let me see what I can do to help you out. Again, if you like this video, it would be totally appreciated. And if you see value with all the fun stuff I've been bringing you lately, click subscribe and I will keep getting these videos out. Mostly helping answer buyers and seller questions. But once in a while, we got to have some fun. Again, wonderful view. It's Mark with FindingHomesToday.com. And wow. Yes, I think I'd stay for the view. Have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.